What's up, party people? I'm very excited today because we are making some moves. We are going to pick up a topper for the truck bed today. That's right, folks. You heard it here first. We're getting a camper top today. And it's incredible how it works because obviously I was in New York last week, so I wasn't really looking at them. I haven't even gone on Facebook Marketplace to look for them until this morning. My alarm went off and my first thought was like, I should check Marketplace for a truck topper because I want to get going with that. So I open it up, boom, right there, suggested for you, right there at the top, a white camper shell that, you know, my truck's white, from a 2014 6.5 foot bed. I'm like, dude, what? No way. Because, you know, I got the 2013 6.5 foot bed, so it was perfect. The price was awesome. It's only 2 hours away in South Carolina, so that's where we're headed right now. It's unreal. I don't know. It's like it was just meant to happen because I just woke up and had the thought and it was right there, and I messaged the guy immediately like, hey, I am very interested. I would love to buy as soon as possible. And he was like, all right, any weekday, you know? So I was like, today? He was like, sure. So, man, well, we're on the way. We got 2 hours in the car to South Carolina, and we're getting a nice truck topper. I think it's a raised one. The pictures didn't really show, you know, too much, but that's fine. I don't really care because I know it'll fit the truck and it's a good price and it's white. So that's really the only things that were important to me. Still a little bit sick. What are you gonna do? I don't mind driving to South Carolina at all. And 2 hours for this good of a price, like, I don't care. I don't care. Totally fine. The guy did say there's one window like knocked out or something, but he said he has a replacement for it, and he said it's included in the price and everything. So like, okay, sure, dude, appreciate it. I don't know. I guess I'm cautiously optimistic because I don't want it to be like one of those too good to be true scenarios, but it seems legit. It seems like a legit Facebook profile and all that. Not saying that I'm doubting you, sir. Just, you know, I've watched a few Mr. Nightmare Craigslist horror stories videos in my life. Honestly, it's a beautiful day for a road trip, and you guys know I just love driving the truck, period. Days like this, man, look at that. I can't believe that this is like the start of the next chapter of my life, you know? I've been wanting to do this for so long, and obviously getting the truck was the biggest, hardest part, and then getting the topper was the next step. But now it's like, okay, I'll have a roof over my head. Everything else is just like additional luxuries, you know? Like, of course, I want a bed and somewhere to cook and all that kind of stuff, but when it comes down to it, you know, like, I'll have a roof over my head and that's all I need. I feel so fortunate to be driving my truck on these beautiful open roads on this beautiful Wednesday morning. It's, how lucky are we? Alright, so we're crossing the bridge to Myrtle Beach now. We're about 10 minutes out. In a very short amount of time, I'm going to have a freaking camper shell for my bed. That's crazy. Looking good. There's some hornets in there though. But hell yeah, got it on a forklift. Okay guys, here it is. There's my camping top. And like I mentioned to you, this window is missing, but that's fine because what do we have in here? The window. So dude said all I have to do is pop it back in. I'm inclined to trust him. I mean, whatever. Amazing price for this thing. The only other thing is there's no keys for it. So he told me I could give him my address, and he could send them if he finds the keys. So I don't know what I'm gonna do with that. So yeah, honestly, it just looks like it needs a pressure washing, which I will do once I get home, and then I'll put a wax on it as well. It's like stuck or something, I don't know. I don't know if it's, oh, okay, no, it's not stuck. I'm just a moron. Okay, well there you go. Holy crap. Dude, there's the truck. This is honestly better than I expected, because I was expecting to get one that was just like completely flush with the roof of the truck. But, oh, it smells like weed all of a sudden. But now, I have so much headroom in here. I have so much freaking headroom. Like, let's see if the camera will stand up for me if I put it right there. Like, dude, I have so much space in here. If I'm like sitting on my bed like this or whatever, dude, I have so much headroom. Oh man, this is crazy, this is crazy, this is crazy. So you might also notice that I have it bungeed and clamped up like this. It's very, for lack of a better term, redneck, but the clamps that I brought with me don't fit. They're not wide enough. So, yeah, I think I might try finagling a couple more bungees and tie downs and stuff on here to, you know, really secure it, make sure it's good. I mean, it feels good. It feels like it's not going anywhere, dude. Headroom galore, amazing price. The guy helped me put it on the truck with a forklift. I mean, just incredible, man. Ooh, ooh, ooh. That looks like a truck camper now, doesn't it? Doesn't it? Oh my God. Man, oh man, oh man. I'm so excited, guys. I'm so excited. I can't believe this is real and happening. I can't believe this is what my Wednesday is like today. Oh, so beautiful and good and great. I'm so thankful. Okay, dude. I'm pulling out. I can't believe I freaking have this thing. And the drive home is actually slightly shorter than the drive here for some reason, so that's cool. It looks stable back there. It looks good. I can't believe how much headroom I have, man. Oh, this is incredible, dude. I'm so happy. I'm so grateful. I'm so happy. Just go out there and make your dreams come true, dude. Go out there and do it. I guess that's the hardest part. Realizing that no one's gonna make your dreams come true for you. You have to start taking the first steps. And then once you're willing to take the first couple steps, dude, things start falling in place. I'm telling you. Like, if you truly care about something and you're passionate about something and you want it and you want to put the work in to get there, things start lining up for you. It's hard to keep the patience, believe me, but in the end, it's always worth it and you always feel amazing. I'm on cloud 9 right now. So once again, just thank you guys for coming with me, and I'll see you soon. All right, so I made it back home. Obviously, we got this beautiful beauty here. So first thing I'm gonna do is try to get the window here, and I'm hoping that the piece the dude gave me just like pops in there just like he said. Like, I'm seeing it's broken here and that kind of thing. Okay, well, before I do anything, I'm gonna get changed because it's like 80 degrees and it's way too hot. Much better. I hope I did that cut right. Okay, let's get going here. Okay, so we got the first little piece on here, and then I think I'm just gonna sort of like pull this away from the glass to fit it the rest of the way around. Okay, well, getting it like this is about the best I could do right now. So there is still, it's poking out a little bit here, but mostly it's in everywhere else. The window is just a bastard. and this part is most likely dry rotted, so it's just very hard getting it in there. What I'm gonna do now is close this crap up, and I'm gonna pressure wash her. Cause look at this, dirty, dirty, dirty. So let's do that and make good use of our sunshine. Now truck is nice and sparkly clean. So I'm gonna try to get that window fully on there tonight if I can. I wanted to go to Tractor Supply to get the clamps and all of the necessary things for this. But I have some work to do tonight, so I don't know. I might do that tonight, and I might handle some more of the truck stuff tomorrow. No, tomorrow's Halloween. I don't know. But it's not like I really have to rush now, so it's all good, baby. So obviously it's way later, and got the big man himself now taking a look at the window. We found the suction cup, so hopefully we can binga boonga. I hope that neither of those are slurs. Bye. I don't even know if Tractor Supply is gonna have what I want. I know Harbor Freight does for sure, but I don't feel like driving to Harbor Freight, and I'm also taking my car today. So unfortunately they did not have what I wanted, so luckily Lowe's is like right across the street, so I'm gonna go over there. I don't know. I don't have super high hopes for over there either. I'm feeling like I should have just gone to Harbor Freight, even though it's in a sucky area, but probably gonna end up having to go there later or something anyway. Haha, okay, nothing in Lowe's either, so I'm gonna go to AutoZone, Advanced Auto Parts, whichever or whatever. Hopefully it's there. Otherwise, we're gonna end up driving to Harbor Freight in the complete other direction. They didn't have it either, but I guess I don't really have to be in a rush now because I've just been informed the place I wanted to camp at tonight. No camping, because there's some hunting going on tonight. Harbor Freight, here we go. You know what's hilarious? So I just drove all the way to Harbor Freight, and I went to the aisle where I know they were, because I just came here like 4 days ago. I know they were here. They weren't there. So I go up and ask the guy, you know, do you guys have truck bed clamps? He says flat out straight no. I'm like, what? So I said, thank you. I've been to several stores already and no one's had them. And they just said nothing and stared at me. So cool, great. Don't even have a suggestion on where to go anymore. Like, what? Went to Tractor Supply, went to the auto store, went to Lowe's, went to Harbor Freight, and no one has clamps? What? I know that Harbor Freight had them. I'm telling you, I was just there a couple days ago with my friend, and they were there in that aisle. I can picture it perfectly. I know they were there. So I feel like I'm being gaslit. I'm just gonna call this episode here because no clamps. Thanks for joining me, and next episode we're gonna continue building the back of the truck, and it's gonna be sick. So I'll see you guys then.